Everyone's a scumbag in Jersey. Sorry, Jersey. Everyone's exactly as loud and dumb as the movies portray them. Should anyone pay them attention, they puff out like bullfrogs. Well, go and wear your muscle shirts and mullets with pride, 'cause you've got nothing real inside. No one's gonna speak the truth in a place like that where they won't get hurt. No one's gonna speak the truth when the fakes get fatter and fatter.